Hello friends, welcome to our channel Study Desk for You. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe so that you will get all uploaded sessions from Study Desk for You. And turn on the bell icon for further notification. And welcome you all to this interesting session on cell formatting and alignment. By using this concept, we can make our workbook look too much easier to view and understand. Further, in today's session, we are going to learn these formatting and alignment in an easy way. But before we get started, let's have a look at agenda for today's session. So first, we begin with formatting. Formatting is nothing but some effects like font style, font size, how to apply bold, italic, underline, and border, applying some background colors and text colors. And next, alignment, cell alignment, how our content is aligned in the cells. Apart from this, we also discuss some topics like wrap text and merge center. Finally, I ended this session by a small concept called as format painter. And I also added one more thing in these sessions, that is exercises for practice. Without practice, we can't get the subject. By these formatting effects and alignment, we are getting some basic idea on subject. By doing these exercises, we will get a complete idea about the concept. So that's why I added some exercises in the end of the session. So please watch till the end. So without any wasting time, let's jump into Excel sheet. And the first concept is format. Formatting is nothing but how to apply some effects like font style, size, bold, italic, underline, these styles. So let us start with font. In the home tab, after this clipboard gallery, we have a gallery called font. And this we have different options to apply effects on different texts. First one, font style. So this is called font style. By default, every worksheet is having a font style called as Calibri. And we have different font styles are available in this drop down list. We can select any one. And a few of them I selected. First one, Arial. You can select here. Arial, this one. And second one, Sago Print. I choose different font styles for examples. And I selected Sago Print style, this one, and one more, Times New Roman. These are the few font styles we regularly used. Times New Roman, search for this here, this one. So these are some font style effects. We have few of them. We can select any one, and defaultly it is Calibri, this one. And after this font style, we have font size. Here 11, default every sheet is having 11 as its font size. We can change this. Suppose I selected this text size and I'm entering some content. Suppose 20. I'm entering a number. Directly you can add a number here. If I mouse over here, it directly changes its size to 20. If you want to select the number in this drop down list, select this. Suppose I'm selecting 24 here. This is about font size. And after this font size, we have alphabetics like capital A, bigger capital A, smaller capital A. So suppose I'm increasing the bigger capital A for increasing the size, and this is also for decreasing the font size. We can also select. Suppose I'm selecting here. Slowly, one by one, bit by bit, it increases. And I'm selecting this one. If it is in bigger size, I'm decreasing this one. Like this, we can select here also for font size. And after that, we have bold text. Bold for text effects. If you want to display bolder content like thicker text, select this. So it's just thicker, a bit thicker. So that is bold effect. And if you want to apply italic, So apply italic, and we can also use some shortcut keys for this. For example, I'm entering text, Control plus B. Always use shortcut key, same. Otherwise you can select in the command in the home tab. And for italic, a slant style is applied. If you want to apply shortcut key, use Control plus I. And coming to underline, we can use this underline, otherwise simply use Control plus U from the keyboard. So this is the font different effects. And the next one is border. After this bold, italic, underline, we have this one called as border. If you want to apply border, just select the drop down list and you have different borders here, like bottom border, top border. It applies only one side like this. If you want to apply all borders, select all border. It applies in the four sides. And if you want to apply multiple cells, select the cells and click on the border. It directly applies. So this is about border, and in this border, if you don't want border, click on no border. And we have different borders like outer side border, thick box border, different borders, and we have line colors also. If you want, this is defaultly black color. If you want to pick any color, you can pick here from the line color, line style. For thicker line or dotted line, dashed line, you can select any one here. These are the options in the borders. And the next one is background color and the text color. So this bucket icon shows the background color. So for example, in the text field, I'm going to apply some background color. So if you want this, click on this drop down and you can select any of this one. I'm selecting something black, yellow color. I'm selecting some yellow color. And the next one is text color. If you want to apply text color, foreground color, you can use this one and click on this drop down and select any one. Suppose I'm selecting red color. For a single test, you can select background color and foreground color at a time. For that, I'm selecting some blue color, and for text, I'm selecting white. At the same time, so here I applied both background color and foreground colors at a time. And similarly, if you don't want to use colors, simply select no color. Here, no fill. If you don't want to apply colors, select no fill. And if you want to apply different colors, you can select from more colors. So here you can select any shaded color, just OK. So it directly applies. So this is about background color and foreground color. So this is about font. And the next one is alignment. Alignment is nothing but how to arrange data in a particular cell, because in Excel every sheet is made up of thousands of rectangle boxes. These boxes are called as cells. These cells are having a height and width as same height and same width. So if you want to enter some data, alignment is important. So let's move to alignment topic. So by default, any text entered into the sheet, it will align to bottom left of the cell. For example, I am entering some text. It's entered in the bottom right corner, bottom left corner. Otherwise, if I am entering any value, it will be aligned to the bottom right corner like this. So it depends upon the situation and depends upon the content we entered into the sheet. So that's why we have to align the text. So suppose if I want to move this content from here to here, I want to move this content from here to here. So right side or middle. So if you want to move like this, we have this alignment gallery. Here we have 9 options. In this, bottom 3 are called as horizontal and top 3 are called as vertical. Let's have a look on this. So first, I selected a cell, I entered text, and suppose I am selecting this one, center. This is right, this is left, center, right. Suppose I selected center, it directly moves to center. Suppose I entered right, it aligns to right. Same thing in the vertical section. For this, I'm just increasing the cell row height. Just drag mouse over the line and hold the button and drag it. It automatically increases. Otherwise, you can also choose from here format row height also you can increase. Just enter this one, enter this row height and click on OK. It automatically increases the row height. Otherwise, just mouse over on it, just drag it. Now my text is vertically aligned here. Suppose I'm selecting center, it moves to center and down bottom right. So this is vertical alignment, this is horizontal alignment. We can use this both at a time also. And for example, here I'm taking some text. And now I'm selecting center, horizontal center and vertical center. It directly aligned in the center of this cell. So that is the advantage of this alignment. And coming to next one, orientation. This is called as orientation. Orientation is nothing but how to enter text either in clockwise or anti-clockwise. We can select here. Simply select the cell and here counterclockwise, clockwise, vertical text. You can select like this. Suppose I am selecting clockwise. It directly applies. Now I am entering one more text. And I'm selecting one more counterclockwise. Like this you can enter data. Like this you can align the text within the cell. And the very next one is indentation, this one. After this we have indentation, decrease indentation, increase indentation. We have decrease indent, increase indent. Like this, suppose I have a text here. So indentation, the text away from the border. So it's just moving from the right side. So if you want left side, you can move from the left. So decreasing and increasing is nothing but alignment. We can use these kind of alignments. And one more, column width. In a single cell, suppose I am entering text like this. Text basics in Excel. My content is text basics in Excel. Sometimes it beyonds the cell. So at this time, if you want to increase the column width, you simply select this and drag this one. Otherwise, simply double click on this. It directly adjusts the column width based on our content. Otherwise, you can select this one and click the button and drag it. Just hold it and drag it. It automatically adjusts. So that is called as column width. If you want to adjust the column width based on the content is called as auto fit. Simply double click on this. Automatically fit into our text. And next one, uniform size. In Excel by default our cells are having some row and height. And by using this column width we can increase and decrease and like this. By using this column width, we can increase or decrease our cells width. But if you don't want to increase or decrease each time, at a time if you want to increase the size, use this uniform size. For this I'm showing. I'm going to another sheet. In the top left corner, you have this one. Just select this one. Entire sheet is selected. Now just mouse over on first row, just hold it and drag. So it automatically changes and all the cells are having same height and same width. So if you want to increase more, you can increase. If you want to decrease, we can decrease, but all the cells are having same height and width. So this is one other uniform size. And now come back to here, and another topic is wrap text. So based on the content, we are dragging this column width. And wrap text will automatically modify a cell's row height and allowing content to be displayed on multiple lines. For example, here I am entering, suppose this is my cell, I am selecting this cell, I am entering, this is about wrap text in Excel. See, the text beyonds the cell. So now I want to fit this content into single cell and allowing our content into multiple lines. At that time I can't resize this with by using column width. At this time we are using wrap text. In this situation my text is beyond the cell. So I'm using wrap text for this. So first select the cell and click on the wrap text. The cell automatically adjusts our content in multiple lines. That is the advantage of wrap text. Here also I used here background color wrap text here. If you observe, it is in selection mode. So this is about wrap text. If you want to allow your content to be displayed on multiple lines in a single cell, we are going to use wrap text. So instead of resizing a column, we can use this wrap text. And now next one, merge and center. Allows you to combine a cell with adjacent empty cells to create one large cell. Suppose I have these two cells. I am applying some border here. Yeah, I have two columns. I selected two columns and 5 rows. Now I want to merge these two cells. Now I am selecting these two cells, and in the merge center command in the drop down list I am clicking and I am selecting merge and center. So it merges the two cells and it becomes a single cell. So now if you type any text in this, it automatically comes in the center. So this is first one, merge and center. Now next to merge across. I'm selecting these two cells right now. Click on this merge across. Merges selected cells into one larger cell while each row separates. So if I'm selecting the content is in the separate lines. And in the next one merge cells. It merges multiple cells into single cell, but the text comes from the starting position. And the finally last one, unmerge cells. If you want to unmerge the selected cells, just select the cells and click on this unmerge cells. If you want to unmerge the selected cells, we are going to use unmerge cells. See here, both are different cells right now. So this is merge and center. And finally, I have a concept called format painter. If you want to copy formatting from one cell to another, we are going to use format painter. In the last session, we are going to use copy and paste. Suppose I am selecting this cell, I am copying from a keyboard Control plus C, and if you want to paste here, Control plus V. I'm just increasing the size of the column like this. So same content is copied and the formatting effects also copied. So here I used two things for copy and paste, Control plus C and Control plus V. Instead of copy and paste, we have a feature called as format painter. If you want same effects, same formatting effects like background color, font size, all these effects, whatever we are applied in the formatting effects, whatever we are applying in the formatting effects like font style, font size, bold, italic, underline, all these effects are called as formatting effects. If you want to apply these formatting effects from one cell to another cell, instead of clicking on copy and paste multiple times, we are going to use format painter for a single time. For example, I have a text here. Now if you want to apply formats same as it is formats for this text also, click on this format painter and just click on the text. That's it. Same effects will be carry forward. This format painter also we can use in two ways, for single click and double click. Right now I use it single click. Suppose I have multiple texts here. Suppose basics text formatting alignment. I have these content in my cells. Now I want to apply same effects. So first select the cell, click on this format painter, double click on this and just apply. How many times you want, you can apply. So no need of each time clicking format painter, no need of multiple times clicking. So after finishing your work, once again you have to click this to unselecting. So this is about format painter. We can use in two ways, single click and double click. For more convenient, depending upon the situation, you can use whatever you want. either in single click or double click. So this is about Format Painter, and in the next session I'm up with this number gallery and the styles. And before finishing this session, I will include some practical exercises. Let's see those things. So this is our assignment for practice. So here is my output. To get this output, we have to follow these steps. So first step is, first select B5 to I19 cells. So this one B5 to I19. From here to here you have to select and apply some border. So here I used all borders. So click on here, take all borders. So this is the first step. In the second step, select B5 to I5 cells. So this one B5 to I5. So in the fifth row, select these cells, apply merge center and add a title invoice. So merge center here. So this one select and add a title invoice, and apply some formatting effects like increasing the size 20. This one 20, we have to increase the size, and background color blue and text color white. So you have to choose from here and here, and apply. Finally you have to apply bold for thicker content. All these are formatting effects, and some merge and center. And the next step, select B6 to F6. In the next row, B6 to F6, we have to select this row and apply merge across, and add some headings like itemized costs. First heading is itemized costs. Similarly, add quantity, then unit price, then amount. These are the headings, and add and apply background color light blue. This one background color is light blue, and text, there is no text color, defaultly it is black color, and apply some bold so it looks a bit thicker. And next, use the drag option for repeating merge across. See here, B6 to F6 cells, B6 to F6 I selected and click applied merge across. So this step we have to repeat from B7 to B19 cells. So that's why just drag option, use drag option, just hold here and drag. So that is this step. And finally you have to add a title in the B19 cell, that is thank you for your business. And finally this cells, merge center for G19 to I19 cells, apply merge center and add your title total estimate. So and quantity, unit price, amount, these are nothing, so you can just enter the values here and add these text also. So this is the output. Follow these steps as it is, you will get this kind of output. So this is for practice. So in this session we'll learn some font and alignment effects. So by watching this video you will get some idea about what the concept is, and if you do this practice session you will get complete idea about this session. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below. For online or offline classes, please visit our website www.tretelenotech.com, and for more tutorials visit our website www.kenisworld.com. And if you like this session, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon for further notification. Thanks for watching.